Automatic chicken harvest cage leads the way to full automation of broiler breeding. Today, I will introduce our star product ZR1600 chain plate automatic chicken harvest cage, which is not only a new product, but a major innovation in the field of broiler breeding. It not only breaks through the limitations of traditional cage, but also solves the deep pain points of the industry, leading the efficiency and economic benefits of broiler breeding to a new peak. Challenges of traditional cages. In the field of broiler farming, economical broiler cages, semi-automatic broiler harvest cage, and automatic broiler harvest cage each have their own advantages. Economical broiler cages are purely manual chicken harvest. Semi-automatic broiler cages use a pull-out floor to bring out the chickens through the manure belt. And automatic harvest cages are a new type of cage that uses a chain plate bottom net to bring out the chickens. Manual broiler harvest cage relies on pure manual operation, which is inefficient and has high safety risks. Although semi-automatic harvest cage reduces some labor intensity, there are still problems such as difficult to control the rhythm of harvesting chickens, and deviation of the chicken manure belt. Consideration of economic benefits. From a personnel perspective, aging personnel, low educational levels, low willingness to work, and low safety are all problems that breeding industry cannot avoid either now or in the future. From the perspective of economic benefits, the traditional chicken harvesting method has high labor costs. Violent chicken catching leads to high chicken disability rate, and collision with cages can easily cause damage to cage frames and other systems. The increase in these intangible costs is precisely the issue that many farmers are concerned about. The chain plate type automatic broiler harvest cage adopts the chain plate bottom net to harvest the chickens. The chicken harvesting process is automatically controlled, which solves the above problems well, reduces the number of workers and the labor intensity, and improves the efficiency of chicken discharge. Chain plate type automatic broiler harvest cage. The width of the ZR1600 chain plate automatic chicken cage is 1600 mm. The section length is 3150 mm. The layer height is 698 mm. And the height inside cage is 500 mm. The 3-layer cage is 2400 mm high, and the 4-layer cage is 3100 mm high. The 3-layer single-section cage can raise 303 chickens, and the 4-layer single-section cage can raise 404 chickens. The automatic harvest cage adopts the chain transmission mechanical principle. The chicken harvest system runs smoothly and reliably. The single-row single-layer chicken harvest speed can reach 2,400 chickens per hour, which greatly improves the efficiency of chicken harvest and saves labor. Key data comparison. The disability rate of automatic broiler harvest cage is less than 1%, while for the manual broiler harvest cage it is more than 3%. For example, if the raising number of a single house is 50,000, automatic broiler harvest cage using a chicken catching disc requires about 17 people in 5 hours to complete the chicken harvest, while manually catching chicken cages requires about 25 people in 8 hours. The efficiency of catching is more than 8 times higher. Chicken harvesting costs. Auto chicken harvest cage costs 6 cents per chicken, while manual chicken discharge cage costs about 20 cents per bird. Layout and configuration. The ZR1600 type chicken harvest cage usually adopts a layout with a middle aisle of 1.3 meters and aisles on both sides of 1.4 meters to ensure smooth passage of personnel. ZR1600 feed tray type chicken harvest cage. A conventional 15-meter wide chicken house can adopt a 5-row layout, effectively improving the utilization rate of breeding space. Customers can choose to have 2 feed trays in a single cage or double-sided feed troughs for feeding. Throne 1600 automatic harvest cage is equipped with 2 water lines on each layer and 12 square tube cone valve drinkers on each layer of the single cage. The water and feed lines are independently controlled, and the chicken harvesting layer and the non-chicken harvest layer do not affect each other. Safe and reliable chicken harvest system. The bottom net and manure belt of the chicken cage are separated. The chain, pin and buckle are reliably connected, and the chain transmission mechanism ensures the smooth operation of the chicken harvest system. The chicken harvesting system adopts a double pull rod partition net opening design, a head and chicken blocking plate design, to prevent the chickens from running back. The matching chicken harvesting bottom net and chicken harvesting plate assembly are made of PP material to ensure efficient operation of the chicken harvesting. The output of single row and single layer is 2,400 chickens hour, and the output time is about 5 hours. The output capacity of tail and output system is more than 15,000 chickens hour. The Throne 1600 chain plate automatic chicken harvest cage is a preferred choice for large-scale production of broiler breeding enterprises due to its stable chicken harvesting system, high chicken harvesting efficiency, good ventilation, excellent performance with low disability rate, as well as advantages such as labor saving, low chicken harvesting cost and long service life.